Another tool I want to learn how to use or show you how to use is the measure tool. So in order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and drop a couple of primitives down here. So we'll start with a box, we'll do a cylinder, how about a cone, as well as just a 2D shape. So a couple of things about the measure tool. So when I click on it, you'll notice that this little window pops up, and I can move it around or make it wider if I want to. We've got two different kinds of selections. We've got a face edge vertex selection, and we also have a body vertex. So we're going to start with just the face edge vertex, and there's different measuring types. So we're telling it here what we want it to measure, and we'll just make sure that all of them are selected, which they are. And so now we're ready to use the measure tool. So let's start by 2 points. So if I select 2 points, point 1, point 2, you'll notice that it gives me a distance up here between the two. You'll notice on accident I actually selected the line here, and so it gives you the distance to the line, and it also gives you the length of the line that I selected, length 2. So let's clear that out. I can also do two edges here. If I click on two edges, you'll notice it gives me the distance between the two, and it also gives me the angle between the two. And so when I look at the distance, it shows me the distance, it shows me the angle, and then it actually shows you, because I clicked on an edge, it shows you the length of that edge as well as the length of the second edge that I clicked here. So I'm going to clear that out now. And I can't actually go in here and change these values, but I can actually copy it to my clipboard. So you'll notice that every time I click it, it's saying copy to clipboard. And so I can do that in case you want to go back and change values, which you might find useful elsewhere. So let's check out another feature of the measure tool. You can actually use this to figure out, so let's clear it first. Let's use the body selection here, and you can actually select like this item right here, the box 1, and it shows you what the area is on the bottom, which is connected to the grid. It also shows you the volume of this cube in inches squared, because that's our units. You can click on numerous things, so I can click on this here, on 2, and because I haven't cleared it out, it also gives me the distance between them. So let's go ahead and clear it. And let's say that I want to figure out the volume of a cone with a certain radius and a certain height. I can just make it in here. I can click on the cone, and then it will show you the bottom area, and then it also shows you the volume of the cone here. So just some useful things about the measure tool.